A very warm welcome to all the students of ABBHS High School Lonavala. Standard 7th, Subject History. Topic number 6, Conflict with Mughal. Hello students. In previous video, you have seen how Shivaji Maharaj gave sleep from Agra. Immediately after returning from Agra, Maharaj did not want any conflict with Mughals, but he wanted to recapture the forts and territories given to the Mughals as per the Purandar Treaty. For this, he prepared a bold plan. It was his strategy to capture the forts by sending a well equipped army on the one hand, and on the other hand to keep the Mughal unstable by invading the territories of Deccan under their control. Maharaj attacked the Mughals' territories of Ahmednagar and Junnar. Then he recaptured several forts such as Kondana means Sinhagad, Purandar, Lohagad, Maruli, Karnala, Rohida, one after other. Then Maharaj attacked on Surat for the second time. Children, while returning from Surat, he fought a great battle with the Mughals at Wani Dhindori in Nashik district. Maharaj defeated the Mughal Sardar Daud Khan in the great battle. After that, Moropanta Pingle captured Trimbakgarh near Nashik. Thus, Shivaji Maharaj was successful in the offensive that he had launched against the Mughal. In that, Sardar such as Tanaji Malsure, Moropanta Pingle, Pratap Rao Gujar, etc. made a valuable contribution in this offensive. Children, in olden days, each king had their own chronicles. Chronicle means children writer. So, in Shivaji Maharaj's time, Krishnaji Ananta Sabasad, a contemporary chronicle, was there. He had described this campaign like this. He took as many as 27 forts in 4 months and earned a great reputation for himself. Isn't it great achievement, children? Coronation of Shivaji Maharaj. Children, the founding of the Maratha Swaraj involved a relentless struggle for over 30 years. Maharaj realized that now it was necessary for the Swarajya to win general recognition as sovereign on independent states. Children, sovereign means independent, not ruled by anybody. For this, a formal coronation was necessary. So, on 6 June 1674, he had himself coronated at Raigad by Gaga Bhatt, a learned Pandit. Children, Shivaji Maharaj became the Chhatrapati of Swarajya. As a symbol of sovereignty, the Rajyabhishek Shaka was started. Maharaj became the founder of new era. Children, Maharaj became the founder of new era. On the occasion of coronation, special coins were minted. A gold coin horn and the copper coin called Shivrai with the legend Sri Raja Shiva Chhatrapati inscribed on them. Children, all royal correspondence carried the words Kshatriya Kulavantasa Sri Raja Shiva Chhatrapati. A dictionary showing Sanskrit alternatives for Persian words was prepared. It is known as Rajya Vyavhara Kosha or Rajya Vyavhara Koshagraha. Shortly after the coronation on Raigad, on 24th September 1674, Shivaji Maharaj had his second coronation performed under the guidance of Nichal Gosavi. Children, there were two traditions of religious ceremony in India, Vedic and Tantric. Maharaj honored both the tradition and had two coronation ceremonies performed. Next topic, children, the campaign of the South. 3 years after the coronation, in October 1677, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj undertook a campaign of the South. He went to Golconda. There he called on the Qutub Shah. He entered into a treaty of friendship with him. Later, Maharaj won Bengaluru, Hoskote in Karnataka, Jinji, Vellore, etc. forts. Today it is in Tamil Nadu, and some other territories of Adil Shahi also added into Swaraj. He appointed Raghunath Narayan Hanumante, the chief administrator, to look after these conquered territories. About Venkoji, the half brothers of Shivaji, we learnt about him in standard 4th. Remember, children? Yes, Shivaji Maharaj tried to get him to participate in the activity of Swaraj. Children, do you know? In this campaign of the South, Maharaj had annexed the fort of Jinji in Tamil Nadu to his Swaraj. This proved to be of great importance in later years, when the Mughal emperor stayed put in Maharashtra to destroy Swaraj. Then Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj had to leave Maharashtra for reason of safety. At that time, he took shelter in the southern fort of Jinji and ran the administration of Swaraj from there. Soon after the victorious campaign of the South, Shivaji Maharaj passed away on Raigad on 3rd April 1680. His death at the age of 50. It was a great loss for Swaraj. A great era came to an end. So, children, in this lesson, we learn Shivaji Maharaj's conflict with Mughals. The first topic we learned Shahiste Khan's invasion. Then the Surat campaign. Then Jai Singh invasion. Then visit to Agra and escape from Agra. The coronation ceremony and the campaign of the South. And at the last, end of the great era. Now children, read the lesson, go through the video again and again, write down the important points and events in your notebook. Thank you, take care and keep learning something.